Hello and welcome to a new video. New, in this video I will show you how to import a project from Eagle to Altium and how to use the schematic for future project, and also how to compare these details from our project with official details from the manufacturer, and also to check with the PDFs that are available on this reference design. For the beginning, we will go to this Ultra Librarian website and we will select this reference design. After that, we will start searching. In our case, I have a reference design from Maxim Integrated. I will search for this and we identify this. It's available on this Ultra Librarian website. On the right side we have all the components that are used in this project to create this design, and on the left side we have all of the formats that are available at this moment for this reference design board. In our case we will select the Eagle file and we'll start to download it. After that we will extract all of the files in our local project. As you can see here, we have some description of this reference board design. It's 7.5 watts, 3.3 volts offline flyback converter using disintegrate from Maxim. And now we try to import the downloaded design in our Altium project, in Altium program. We will open this import wizard. We will select next and we will look for Eagle project and design file. Next, we will add for first time the schematic. Next, and after that the libraries. Next, and now the process could start. Our import is completed now. Now we can check how it looks. So this is the schematic that was imported from Eagle program to our Altium program, and now we have the possibility to create or to look inside of this reference design and to use the recommendation from Maxim, and with this information we can create our own project, but only after we start to check if we have all of the components available or not. We have also some libraries for this, but these are imported from Eagle file, and maybe sometimes this not respect all the recommendation for creating components in Altium. So some of them can be reused, or we can recreate all of the symbols again, or we can import from our our local libraries or from our database libraries. or some of them we can import it from Snapeda or from Ultra Librarian or from other sites. To compare if this reference design schematic is the correct one, we can double check this information directly on the Maxim website, and we can search after our reference design. And we have some information here regarding this design, and we have some PDFs available. We have also some information for the market that it's generally used. It's for industrial one, and we have also some information regarding the characteristics and the parameters. Here we have the input type, which is the minimum voltage for the input and which is the maximum voltage for the input, and here we have which is the minimum, and in general this is the typical value for the output, and here is the maximum current for this output, and also some information regarding the power and which topology use this power supply is the flyback topology, and if the inputs or the outputs in the inputs are isolated, and we can check which are the documents that are available on Maxim website. So for this reference design board, we have the PDF, some details with the PDF for this reference design. So even if we don't have in our program the PCB file imported, we can use this recommendation, and we can create our own placement using this layout recommendation for the ground planes and so on. As you can see, we have here a lot of details that are important when you design a power supply from zero. In generally, we don't invent the well, so we can use some recommendation directly from the manufacturers. So as you can see, for this reference design, we have a lot of details. Here is the placement and some information regarding the planes and so on. And we still have here more details regarding this reference design. We have the ODB++ files, so we can import and check here, and we have also a PDF for schematic. And now we can compare this schematic with ours to see if we have the same schematic imported or it's something different. So as you can see, our schematic was imported perfectly, but it's better to double check this information to be sure if it's the latest version or not. And if we go back to Maxim website, we still have some CAD file format but for this the maximum website send you back to ultra librarian website, and these are the reference design that are available. And we have also a PDF for the bill of materials, and you can also check it and download it from here. And you can easy use in your project, and when you want to order or to create new components. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.